this video, we will show you how to install VirtualBox for Windows 10. First, you can download the VirtualBox for Windows 10. We put link into description. After you download, you can double click to start installing VirtualBox. After that, you can click next, and this is select the top and click next. Click next again and choose yes and click install. Click yes. In here, you must ticking this and click install. This is shortcut has been created. After finish, you can try to start Oracle VM VirtualBox. Okay, don't forget you can download a VirtualBox in description for the links. That's all tutorial how to install VirtualBox in Windows 10.